Hello boys, once again welcome back to your online maths class. As it is rightly said, a healthy mind stays in a healthy body. So you all must eat well and stay healthy, and you should also exercise sometimes. When you get up in the morning, you should exercise. So you all have done a fabulous work and you all are writing your numbers also well. I hope you all are saying your numbers and writing. So once again, let's begin writing our numbers. So today we are going to write our numbers from 1201 to 1300. Alright, so let's start 1201 to 1300. So please say along with me and write 1201. And when you are writing, please use a sharpened pencil and leave a box and write. You can see that ma'am always leaves space in between the numbers. 1202. 1203. 1204. 1205. 1206. 1207. 1208. 1209. 1210. So what comes after 1210? 1211. 1212. I hope you are saying along with ma'am. 1213. 1214. 1215. 1216. 1217. 1218. 1219. And what comes after 19, boys? 1220. Very good, boys. 1221. 1222. 1223. 1224. 1225. 1226. 1227. Are you all saying along with ma'am? Yes. 1228. 1229. 1230. Now 1231. 1232. 1233. 1234. Are you all saying along with ma'am? And do your work neatly. 1000. 235, 1236, 1237, 1238, 1239, and 1240. 1241, 1242, 1243, 1244, 1245, 1246, 1247, 1248, 1249, 1250, 1251. Are you all saying and writing? 1252, 1253, 1254, 1255, 1256, 1257. So say and write, boys. 1258, 1259, 1260. So do your work neatly as ma'am is doing. Neat work. Leave a box and write. 1261, 1262, 1263, 1264, 1265, 1266, 1267. Then what comes after 67? 1268, 1269, and 1270. Alright? Then comes 1271. So what comes after 71? 1272, 1273, 1274, 1275. Then 1276, 1277, 1278, 1279, and what comes after 79? 1280. Okay? Then comes 1281, 1282, 1283, 1283. Boys, please form your digits very, very clearly. Sharpen your pencils and do your work. Neat work. 1284. 1285. 1286. 1287. 1288. 1289. 1290. Okay, boys. Now the last line. 1291. 1292. 1293. 1294. 1295. Are you all saying and writing? Okay. 1296. 1297. 1298. 1299. And what comes after 299? 1300. Very good. So do your work neatly. Alright, boys. Be safe and eat well and stay healthy. Okay, bye, boys.